Hello, I'm Anand Varun. I'm Associate Manager from MacPro Technologies. Welcome to Forming Now. We are at MacPro Technologies, got benefited from India by digitalizing its entire workflow from enquiry and production planning to manufacturing and accounting on a single integrated platform. With AI-enabled production, planning and real-time scheduling, MacPro improved shop floor efficiency and on-time delivery. Features like 100% batch traceability, inventory control, and real-time costing capturing gives the team complete visibility over parts, stocks, and true job costing. Built-in quality assurance and integrated accounting further help MacPro strengthening process controls while preparing the organization for an Industrial 4.0 future. MacPro started in 2010. We have 15 years of experience in mold making and die making, and we are JV with the Terminal Technology in the year of 2020. We are working with India for last 2 years. Our major share of business is with automotive, and we are working for automotive, electrical and electronic customers. And recently we have taken the AS9100 certification.